Coconut water for treating hypothyroidism. Do you suffer from hypothyroidism? It's certainly a very common disease, which usually results in patients having to undergo long-term treatment and take medication to correct the problems with their thyroid gland. It's a type of autoimmune disorder that almost always requires a change in lifestyle, in addition to a lifelong commitment to medication. Is it possible to cure hypothyroidism? Sometimes patients eventually trick their thyroid into producing enough thyroid hormone to function at the appropriate levels. But it requires a great deal of effort, motivation, and the ability to combine their prescribed treatment regimen with changes in their everyday activities. For example, were you aware that coconut water is an excellent way to stimulate an underactive thyroid? Find out everything you need to know in today's article. The many benefits of coconut water for the thyroid. If you have hypothyroidism, you likely suffer from many of the following symptoms: weight gain, headaches, insomnia, hair loss, dry skin, sensitivity to cold, always having cold hands and feet, near constant fatigue, muscle aches, urinary infections, constipation. All of these problems are almost certainly associated with the fact that your thyroid isn't producing enough thyroid hormone to regulate the basic functions that let you lead a normal life. But to counteract those effects and get your thyroid back up and running normally, you need to be taking the right medication for you, which your doctors have probably already prescribed. Nevertheless, there are lots of people who get frustrated when they don't see immediate results, and for a while they may continue to suffer from those side effects we listed above, like weight gain and tiredness that deprive them of their normal lifestyle. What can you do? What if no matter how much you exercise you can't lose those extra pounds, and vitamin supplements don't seem to help at all? And so, try adding some coconut water to your diet. 1. Coconut water helps regulate thyroid function. One of the best properties of, and even coconut oil, is that it helps regulate the function of the thyroid. Its natural enzymes stimulate the production of an underactive thyroid, and if your thyroid happens to be overactive, it can help regulate that as well. But thanks to its ability to help control weight gain and regulate intestinal and digestive function, coconut water is usually recommended for people with hypothyroidism. 2. Coconut water helps strengthen your immune system. Coconut water is high in potassium, phosphorus, iron, and calcium. All these things can help you avoid infections that you might otherwise succumb to due to a lack of the thyroid hormone. It also helps speed up your metabolism, meaning you can fight fatigue better and feel stronger, while boosting your natural defenses. 3. Coconut water fights cellular oxidation. When you have hypothyroidism, your cells become oxidized more quickly due to the hormonal deficit. That makes it harder for your body to process foods, your skin becomes drier and less elastic, you start to suffer from liver problems, and more. combining your prescribed medication with coconut water will raise your body's levels of antioxidants, helping you synthesize thyroid hormones more efficiently. It's worth remembering. Dry skin, fatigue, headaches, and all these symptoms are due to the altered function of your thyroid gland, which can inhibit other basic bodily functions. If you try drinking 2 to 3 glasses of coconut water a day, you'll be giving your body the hydration it needs. 5. Coconut water helps nourish the hair, skin, and nails. Coconut water is great for returning minerals that are lost to the body, which can stimulate the growth and overall health of the hair, skin, and nails. 6. Coconut water improves digestion. People who suffer from hypothyroidism have slower, heavier digestion. They often feel overfull and suffer from fluid retention or constipation. Don't think twice, drink a few glasses of coconut water and benefit from its content of bioactive enzymes like phosphatase or peroxidase acids, both of which are excellent for digestion. 7. Coconut water for weight loss. Thanks to its digestive benefits and ability to activate a slow metabolism while cleansing the body of toxins, coconut water makes an ideal complement to a proper diet and weight loss regimen. You'll see great results. How should you consume coconut water to treat hypothyroidism? Try drinking 2 or 3 glasses of coconut water after your meal for 20 days. Rest for 10 days, then repeat. If you like, you can also try coconut oil instead. It's equally beneficial. Make sure you buy organic coconut oil that's produced naturally. It must be kept in a cool place, and you'll consume a tablespoon of it every day, preferably in the morning. Like coconut water, coconut oil speeds up your metabolism and stimulates the production of thyroid hormone. It's fantastic.